How's it going? Mike with MB Quart here today to introduce you to the newest speaker series from MB Quart, the ONYX. The ONYX series features a gloss piano black polypropylene cone, a rubber surround, black semi-gloss trim ring and traditional black mesh grill, black high gloss stamped steel basket, vibrant red progressive cotton spider, black rubber wrap to protect the magnet structure, 30mm WideSphere tweeter. The crossover has been designed to filter out the unwanted frequencies and feed the mid-range and tweeter. It features a selectable 0 dB, negative 3 dB, and negative 6 dB tweeter attenuation, along with a black smoke case. The ONYX series features 4 models: the 6.5-inch two-way component, the 6.5-inch two-way coaxial, the 6x9 three-way, the 5x7 or 6x8 two-way coaxial. The ONYX 116 is the 6.5-inch coaxial, 50 watts RMS power handling, 100 watts peak, 4 ohms impedance, 89 dB efficient, a frequency response of 40 Hz to 32,000 Hz. The ONYX 216 is the 6.5-inch component, 50 watts RMS power handling, 120 watts max, 4 ohms impedance, 89 dB efficient, a frequency response of 40 Hz to 32,000 Hz. The ONYX 157 is the 5x7 6x8, 50 watts RMS power handling, 120 watts peak, 4 ohm impedance, 90 dB efficient, a frequency response of 40 Hz to 32,000 Hz. The ONYX 169 is the 3-way 6x9, 60 watts RMS power handling, 140 watts max, 4 ohms impedance, 91 dB efficient, a frequency response of 35 Hz to 32,000 Hz. For more information on the ONYX series speakers, please check out mbquartusa.com.